Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So just a quick video to update you regarding the outage accessing Microsoft 365 services, which apparently was affecting users around the world, in my part of the world, late yesterday on the 30th of July. Now, the long and the short of this, if you were affected, is that Microsoft has now resolved the issue and has published the following details on its Azure status page. So basically, at the end of the day, they say that between approximately 11:45 UTC and 19:43 UTC on the 30th of July 2024, Microsoft says a subset of customers may have experienced issues connecting to a subset of Microsoft services globally. Impacted services included Azure Services and a subset of Microsoft 365 and Microsoft Purview services. And basically what we know so far regarding this is that Microsoft says the whole issue was caused by an unexpected usage spike, leading to intermittent errors, timeout, and latency spikes. And they also mentioned that while the initial trigger event was a distributed denial of service DDoS attack, which activated our DDoS protection mechanisms, initial investigations suggest that an error in the implementation of Microsoft say their defenses amplified the impact of the attack rather than mitigating it. So basically that's what caused the whole issue. But the long and the short is that that has been resolved now. And we can see, if we just pop on the different regions, all the green ticks are there, so there are no issues, and that applies to all the regions globally. Now, this is interesting because, as I've mentioned on the channel, if we just head to a poll I ran recently, it kind of makes you think about the reliability of cloud and the cloud infrastructure. Because this is following CrowdStrike's massive Windows outage, which I've posted on the channel. So if you want more info, just do a search accordingly. And in this poll about 10 days ago, I asked the question, so do you think that our technology is relying too much on the internet, i.e. the cloud? And as you can see, a whopping 78% of you said yes. So it goes to show that maybe technology is relying too much now on the internet or cloud infrastructure, for want of a better word, because within the last month we've had the CrowdStrike. Earlier on this year, as I posted, we had CrowdStrike also issues with Linux, and now we've had this Azure and Microsoft 365 services outage over the last couple of hours. So it makes you think that obviously it seems that we could be getting a little bit too independent and relying too much on technology when it comes to the internet and cloud infrastructure. And this poll, although there were only 500 votes, does give us an indication. 78% of you said that is indeed the case. So interesting stuff. But if you were affected, all is well according to Microsoft, and those services now are up and running. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.